Ever edit something that looks amazing until you send it to literally anyone else? They didn't know what display calibration was. Honestly, it sounded like surgery. Display calibration is just screen optimization for color, highlight, and shadow details. Not scary, just smart. Factory settings do not equal optimized. It just means default. SpyderPro is here to help your screen stop lying to you. SpyderPro analyzes your screen and your room light, optimizing for your actual setup. It works on pretty much any modern display. OLED, QD-OLED, Mini LED, Apple XDR, you name it. Now, what you edit is what others actually see. SpyderPro doesn't just calibrate to optimize your screen to reflect reality. It goes beyond calibration. That's where confident editing begins.